I don't think people understand just how important underfitting and overfitting are in machine learning. Hi, I am Pankaj Sharma, your host for today's video, and together we're going to break down these concepts with some super simple examples. Alright, let's talk about something every beginner in machine learning runs into: underfitting and overfitting. Imagine you're learning to shoot basketball hoops. If you barely practice, you miss a lot. That's underfitting. Your model, like your skills, just isn't trained enough. It can't spot the patterns, so it performs poorly on both practice and real games. Now picture this: you practice only from a single corner of the court and memorize that exact shot. You nail it every time in practice, but during the real game, those shots come from everywhere. That's overfitting. Your model memorized the training data but can't adapt to new situations. Here's a relatable example. Let's say I want to predict if a tomato is ripe. If I only look at its size but ignore color or texture, I might miss a lot of ripe ones. That's underfitting. My rules are too simple. But if I create a crazy long checklist, like has a tiny spot in the upper right corner, I might nail my training set, but new tomatoes will confuse me. That's overfitting. Let's try one more simple example: recognizing dogs versus cats in photos. If my model only checks if the animal has 4 legs, it'll get confused by almost any pet. That's underfitting. But if it memorizes every tiny detail, like a specific cat's color or a dog's exact fur pattern, it'll fail when it sees a new pet photo. That's overfitting. The secret? Balance. I want my model to learn the important stuff like color and texture without getting lost in weird details. So next time you're building a model, ask, am I missing the point or am I memorizing too much? Find that sweet spot and mastering machine learning gets way easier. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tips. Thanks for watching.